Go, 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 shorty. It's your birthday.
Gulat ka pa. Ay ka, gusto lang kitang bati ng happy birthday. Tsaka wish ko, syempre, good health, happy family, tsaka more successful sa career. Alam naman naming lahat, Kap, kung ano yung desire mo sa buhay, yun is yung makatulong ka sa iyong kapwa. At alam ko masaya ka pagka nakakatulong ka, saksi ako ron. At dahil doon, Kap, may mga ilang gustong bumati sa iyo rito sa Jeddah. Nax, kahit nandito ako sa Jeddah, gusto ka nilang batiin ng happy birthday at nandito sila.
Happy birthday, Cap!
Happy birthday, Cap. Happy birthday, Cap.
Happy birthday to you, Cap!
Happy birthday, Cap.
Happy birthday, Cap! Mua, chup, chup!
Yan, kita mo naman ko kung gaano sila karami. Kahit ibang lahi, binabati ka ng happy birthday. Ganyan, ang sikat dito ka ba? Happy birthday! Yan, sige na, Kap, babay na, Kap. Sigurado, umay na umay ka na eh. Pero namimiss mo ako, aminin mo. Happy birthday, Kap! God bless, always, always. Bye, happy
Mommy in the
birthday!
club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the hits. If you're into taking drugs, I'm into having sex. I ain't into making love. So come give me a
Pre, time na lang. Kumusta? Birthday mo sa this July, is it? So, I just want to wish you a happy birthday, pare. And hope to see you soon. Sana kung makakauwi ako sa January, diretso ako sa iyo, ikaw nang pupuntahan ko, tsaka si Man. Kasi last January, kapos na kapos ako sa oras eh. Yung very limited yung time ko, tapos grabe ang traffic dyan. So, kinapos ako ng oras. Kaya hopefully this January, makauwi sana. Siguro magtatagal ako ng konti. Pero I'll make sure, magkikita tayo. Puntahan kita dyan sa Bulacan. Okay? And tumahan also, belated happy birthday, okay? I'll see you soon. Okay. You all enjoy your birthday, pare, and keep fit. Okay? Okay, I'll see you. Bye. Thank you.
July 17, 2016. Hindi ko malilimutan ang araw na ito. Ito ang araw na dapat bigyan natin ng parangal ang isang taong mahalaga at hindi naiiba sa atin. Ito ay si Manuel Reyes Jr. or Nonong. Parts, talagang sadyang ganyan ang buhay ng tao. Una-una lang. Sana'y maging huwarang ka ng iyong mga anak at ang taong mga nakapaligid sa iyo. At naway, nasa magandang kalagayan ka ngayon. Kaya ako at ang aking pamilya, aking asawa, anak, ay bumabati ng isang magandang at maligayang kaarawan sa araw na ito. Happy birthday, Pads! Miss ka na namin, pasyal ka dito sa California. At nang magkita kayo na tayo. Again, Pads, happy birthday. Thanks.
Mommy in the club, bottle full of bub. Look, mommy, I got the hits. If you're into taking drugs, I'm into having sex. I ain't into making love. So come give me a hug. If you're into getting rough.
Hi, Long. Happy birthday. Wish ko lang marami ka pang blessings and of course, good health. Alam mo naman kung nandito yung mga kapatid ko, lahat kami mag-greet sa'yo ng happy birthday. Ikaw lang sa oras, pero I'm sure the whole family would have wanted you to have a really happy birthday. Alam mo naman, parte ka na ng pamilya namin. So, Nong, happy birthday.
Niggas hate to let them hate them, want the money pile up. Or we can go upside the head with a bottle of bull. They know where we fucking be. Happy birthday, Uncle Nonong!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Uncle. Happy birthday. I know.
Happy birthday. Happy 60th birthday po. Okay, I hope you get more birthday to come. You know, I'm busy, painting like a Picasso. So, happy birthday, happy 60th birthday.
Oh, Tol. Happy 60th birthday. 60 na ba? Oo, 60 na.
Kaya pala grande.
Alagaan mo ang health mo. At enjoy your wealth.
Enjoy and share your wealth. Happy 60th birthday.
Oo, sana, maging masaya yung birthday mo ngayong 60 ka na. Enjoy mo rin yung 20% discount mo.
Senior!
Hello.
Ako Nonong, happy birthday! 60 ka na pala. Kaya pala pareho tayo ng ulo. Happy birthday!
Dito kami ngayon sa LA. Kila Mandy. Kila 4-5.
Daddy, do you speak, Daddy?
Speech na siya.
Happy birthday, Tol! See you soon! Yun lang.
Short and firm. One, two, three. Happy birthday to you. Go that way. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Nonong. We're here. See? Happy birthday to you.
Ulit.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Go back. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Adele. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Nonong. We love you.